Hello my friends, what's up guys? Today we have panna cotta. Yes, the original recipe of making panna cotta. Not only that, I will give you the fantastic panna cotta recipe made in World Pastry Cup 2013 and got best plated in the competition from champion of the world. As you see, you can make different shape panna cotta, different sauces. All we learn. Keep to the end of the video. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I am pastry champion Africa 2011, working traveling pastry chef for many cruise line. This recipe 700 gram fresh whipping cream, 200 gram sugar, 300 gram fresh milk, 20 gram gelatine. We soak the gelatine in cold water, very important, cold water. So the recipe is very easy. 700 fresh cream, 300 fresh milk, 200 gram sugar, 1 vanilla stick, and we soak 20 gram of gelatine. Very important to keep all fresh vanilla vacuumed so it not got dry and to absorb the seed and aroma so humid. We cut vanilla seed. We take the seed. We call it vanilla stick, vanilla bud, fresh vanilla, so many names. And then we bring it to boil. And here is the trick. When it starts boiling, I try to remove the pan up 2-3 times to reduce the temperature and keep tight. You see, it's boiling. Normally before, I used to boil the cream and just to remove it, I added the gelatine. I learned this technique from pastry champion of the world, Emmanuel Forconi. You see it start boiling, I don't remove. I just remove the pan like 5 seconds to reduce the temperature, so I keep it again for 3-4 times. So when it start, I remove for 5 seconds, I put back to keep boiling, and this way it concentrates the flavor and aroma with vanilla stick. So as soon as I remove, I squeeze the gelatina from the water. And then I add it to the panna cotta. Here we go. 2013, the best plated dessert in World Pastry Cup was the Italian panna cotta. How they make it? It took me many gifts to the Italian team until they give me the recipe. The recipe was 1 liter fresh cream, 1 vanilla stick, 180 sugar. They boil it until reduced to 700 milliliter. So after that they remove and added 18 gram gelatine, and that was one of the best panna cotta I tasted in all my life, and was the best plated dessert in World Pastry Cup. Here we go. Panna cotta is ready. I keep in the container or glass or shot glass, whatever you serve it. This is very important. I keep like 1.5 centimeters free, so I can add it my topping. The topping is 300 milli fresh apple juice, 50 gram sugar, 6 gram gelatine. Very easy recipe. I bring apple juice to boil with the sugar, then I added the gelatine, and my topping is ready. 6 gram gelatine, 300 juice, or 1 kilo frozen strawberry, 100 gram water. I bring it to boil for 3-4 minutes. After that, I added hand blender. So 1 liter frozen strawberry or raspberry or any puree, name it, whatever flavor you want. I bring it to boil, then I added 200 gram sugar, then I added 20 gram gelatine. I blend it again to be smooth, and my topping is ready. Finally, I added the gelatine. So you have basic standard topping. And I know a lot of people never use gelatin into the topping for panna cotta. So up to you. You can add gelatin or remove gelatin. Is up to you. You choose which one. Now we make this apple jelly, and raspberry jelly, strawberry jelly, and passion. But in case of the passion, I added 220 gram sugar, because as you know, passion little bit sour. So you can add it, the topping, with gelatin to set or without gelatin. You the one who decide what you do. Now we prepare apple gelatin and this passion sauce, and then we have a strawberry. A lot of people use also chocolate sauce topping for panna cotta. You try all and let your guest decide. I will leave the whole recipe in description box below. To refreshment, 700 fresh cream, 300 fresh milk, 200 gram sugar, 20 grams. As you see, you can do presentation up to you. It's your talent. Thanks for watching my channel. Please leave your comment. Let us know what is your opinion of the video, how we can improve.